What it do, 3-point squad and everybody out there? It is almost St. Patrick's Day, and yes, I know I'm wearing a pink shirt. I don't own a lot of green, but I still got a little festive. I got my necklace and some pins here, but what I'm going to do today is show y'all a fun, quick, simple, easy recipe that I found online. It's called the Shamrock Sour. Very easy recipe. I'm not going to over talk it. Let's get into it. Here we go. So these are the ingredients. Of course, you gotta have the Jameson, Irish whiskey, green food coloring. I'm using my mason jar with some ice, lime juice, lemon juice, simple syrup, and I'm going to use my shot glass here to measure the whiskey. All right, so we're going to start with your cup. You're going to get your lime juice, a tablespoon of lime juice. I don't have the fancy bar equipment, but this is what I'm using. You got to do what you got to do, y'all, okay? Got it there. I'm going to do the same thing with the lemon juice. And this is going to be half, so you don't need to fill up the whole thing. Just like that here. Pour that in there. Then you're going to get your 1/4 cup of your simple syrup. Now, Jameson, 2 ounces. Dump it in. And then now, food coloring. Now you don't want to make it too green. It's up to you, but you don't want to make it too green. Just a couple dashes. 2. Bam. And here we go. I changed my glass, you know, as you guys can see. I'm going to do a taste test with y'all. I appreciate everybody for being here for the video. To everybody that's new, welcome to my channel. Stay tuned, like, comment, and subscribe if you liked what you've seen here. I also have another fun recipe coming up. It's a food recipe, a burger that involves Guinness. So if you're a Guinness lover, stay tuned. Now let's get to the taste. The Shamrock Sour. Really good. Like I said, you know, very simple. This only takes 5 minutes to make. Even if you don't have all the ingredients, all the utensils, like the bar equipment, that's fine. You can make it work. You don't have to be super fancy to make this drink. Happy St. Patrick's Day coming up to everybody. Stay safe out there. Until next time, 3-point squad.